We are in the Snap-on Milwaukee plant, where we have been making sockets,
extensions,
pliers,
screwdrivers
since 1980.
The plant was built in 1980. It's now 156,000 square feet. We just recently put an addition on it that added about 45,000 square feet. We have about 350 associates that work here. About 8 million pounds of steel are used here to make our 34 million pieces every year out of this facility. We offer a training program here, and they're able to work their way up the wage scale. And it's a great program for associates, and it's great for Snap-on.
I started at a pretty basic position, just dumping chips. Worked on our plating line for a little while, and I've been in 3 different positions for pliers for machining. The training experience is nice. They give you a lot of hands-on opportunities.
I have produced, by my estimation, 78 million sockets, and I've run all sizes and shapes of formers that we have on the floor.
I started as a stamping operator. From there I went to heat treat for many years. I ran our old laser welder after that and just evolved into our new laser welding system that we have today.
They give you plenty of opportunities to pursue different jobs here. It's real nice.
My work is the genesis of the material. We start with the raw material, and it's very critical for me to make the part right.
If it ain't the spec, it ain't right. You got to give the customer what they paid for. That's what we try to achieve, and if we don't, we're not doing our job.
That quality is very important.
I like coming to a place where I know people have passion for the tools and the products, and I know I do.
What I enjoy about working for Snap-on is the challenges presented every day. It's kind of fun to be able to work through the issues and come to a resolution.
Makes the day go by real fast.
It is like a small family. I've got a couple guys I go disc golfing with, a couple I go golfing with. There's a lot of things we do outside of here together instead of just being here.
I have been working for Snap-on 35 and a half years.